She's mad. Don't get mad. And you can't attack me now. Haha, I'm inside my house. Just wanna see your babies. It's okay. It's okay. Jeez, she was really mad and tried to attack me a couple of times. That scared me. But she's okay now. She just don't want somebody to hurt her babies. It's okay. She went crazy, I tell ya. It's okay. You can't attack me. I can see the beaks. You're looking at attacking me, huh? Well, you can't. I'm inside the house. Okay, there she goes. Flipping out again. Right there, right there. Whoop. She thought she can attack me. See that? That's how she attacked me. She's gonna do it again. Watch. You just watch. Where'd she go? There you go. See? That's what she did earlier. Tried to attack me. There she goes again. She's gonna do it again. Watch. Watch, watch. 2. Come on, girl. I don't want to make you mad. I just want to see you and the babies. Where'd you go? Right there. Right there. And the papa's also on the roof. She figured out it's a glass window. She can't attack. Okay. Yeah. She calmed down. She calmed down. She's gone. That's the nest right there. Right there.